Hello everyone, my name is Pranita Kaududerkar and today we discuss about the topic of lymphatic system and the immune system. So lymphatic system it is act as a immune system, and lymphatic system it is a subtype of the circulatory system which consists the network of the blood vessels, organ and tissue. Then it plays the key role, such as it maintain the body fluid, which maintenance of the body fluid, and the another function of the lymphatic system, it maintain the immune system to fight against with the infections or the pathogen. So first of all we see about the mechanism of lymphatic system. Mechanism of the lymphatic system, which involves the drainage system. So during the circulation of the blood plasma is seek out or this leak out or the seep out by the blood vessels or the capillaries into the surrounding tissues, which due to the nature of thin wall of the blood vessels or the capillaries. Then lymphatic system that carries or collect all the seep out lymph or the blood plasma throughout the body. Then again it transport into the circulatory system to maintain the body fluid. So main function of the lymphatic system to maintenance of the body fluid. So it is the mechanism of the lymphatic system. Then we see the some important function of the lymphatic system. There are the three main function of the lymphatic system, such as absorption, maintenance of the body fluid, and another one is the immune system. So first one we talk about the maintenance of the body fluid. So it help to maintain the homeostasis of the body, such as it collect all the lymph from the blood cells and the tissue, which is also known as the homeostasis. And also it return the proteins from the blood cells or the tissue, and another nutrients which is cannot be written throughout the body. Then immune system it is another main function of the lymphatic system, which included the production of the B lymphocyte and the T lymphocyte. So T lymphocyte can actively participate against to fight with the infection, and B lymphocyte it generate another that is antibody to fight against the pathogen or the infection, such as bacteria or the viruses. And absorption is also the function of lymphatic system, which involves the absorption of fat soluble or the fat insoluble nutrients from the digestive system. So these are the functions of the lymphatic system. Then we talk about the components of the lymphatic system. So there are the four type of components, such as the lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, and lymphoid organ. So lymphoid organ is again divided into the primary lymphoid organ and secondary lymphoid organ. So first one we see the lymphatic vessels. So lymphatic vessels, which included the network of blood vessels that collect the all lymph which is leak out or seep out from the blood vessels into the surrounding tissue. And it consists the walls. So walls can prevent the backflow of the blood into the circulatory system, and also maintain the unidirectional flow of the blood. Then lymph it is the blood plasma or the clear liquid fluid, which is leak out or the seep out by the circulatory system. Then blood plasma, which included the amino acid, glucose, or the other nutrients and proteins which required for the body growth and development. Then lymph is has the clear fluid which is leak out by the circulatory system. Then another one is um, um, lymph lymph nodes. So lymph nodes, which is lymphatic vessel, transport the lymph through the lymph nodes, which is required for the filtration of the debris, microorganism, pathogens such as the bacteria, viruses and cancerous cells, which is located in the neck region, groin and the armpit. So there are the two main functions of the lymph node, such as the filtration of the debris, microorganism, pathogen such as the bacteria, viruses and cancerous cells. And another one is the, it is the house of lymphocyte. Then last one is the lymphoid organ. So lymphoid organ, which is included the primary lymphoid organ and secondary lymphoid organ. So primary lymphoid organ, which have the included the bone marrow, thymus, then fetal liver, in which the maturation of the B and T lymphocyte is also done, and production of the B and T lymphocyte, which is fight against the pathogen or the infection then when they enter into the body. So first one is the thymus. Thymus, it is the smallest gland of the lymphatic system, which included the um, maturation of the B lymphocyte, and which is activate the B lymphocyte and produces the B lymphocyte and the T lymphocyte, and also train the T lymphocyte to produce the antibodies against the pathogen. So it help in the immune system. Then next one is the bone marrow. Bone marrow, in which the red bone marrow and the yellow bone marrow. Bone marrow, it is the flexible soft tissue. Then red bone marrow, it is help to production of the RBC, that is a red blood cell. And yellow bone marrow, it is help in the production of the make it also prevent the energy for the production of the red blood cells and storage of the triglyceride. Then B and T lymphocytes produces in the bone marrow, but T lymphocyte mature in the thymus and B lymphocyte mature in the bone marrow. Then secondary lymphoid organ, it is a component of the lymphoid organ. So secondary lymphoid organ, which included the mass of lymph tissue, tonsil, appendix, mucosal associated tissue and spleen. So functions of the secondary lymphoid organ, which included the to grab the antigens for the exposure to the B and T lymphocyte, and it is on other side for further lymphocyte maturation. So spleen, it is the largest organ of the lymphatic system. So spleen, which is required for the filtration of the blood, which is produced by the damaged cells and blood cellular or the pathogen. Then it is help in the production of the WBC, which is the part of the immune system. Then another one is the component of tonsil. So tonsil, which is present in the lower upper the throat region of the lymphatic tissue, which is which is help in the filtration of the viruses or the pathogens and prevent from the infection. And another, that is the mucosal associated tissue, that is which is present in the small intestine and simply active in the antigens and activated the B and T lymphocyte, which is fight against the infection when the pathogen or any other foreign materials enter into the body. Then T lymphocyte actively participate to fight against with the infection in the first line, and B lymphocytes, which is produces the another antibodies to fight against with the pathogen or the infection. So this is all about the lymphatic system and immune system. Thank you so much.